Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to receive money on your Ledger Flex. So first of all, you'll need to have the app on your Ledger Flex for the type of currency that you want, for the type of cryptocurrency that you want to receive. So I'm gonna go to my Ledger, select my device, then I'm gonna allow the secure connection, and now I'm gonna download Solana because that's what I'm gonna be receiving. I'll get back to you shortly when that's downloaded. Now I have it. I'm gonna close this notification, and now if you just downloaded the app, you'll also need to have the account linked to your Ledger Live. If you don't know about accounts and want to learn more, you can watch a video on our channel, but the video isn't about Ledger Flex, it's just about Ledger Live app in general. Although you don't really need to watch that video to really just be able to receive money. You'll need to go to accounts here on your wallet, or if you don't have any here, then you won't have this screen. Instead, you'll have add account at the bottom, and you need to click on that. Add new or existing account, then use your Ledger device. Now select the asset. I will be selecting Solana, and it'll automatically connect to my Ledger Flex because I have it near, and I'm gonna open it. Now once it's opened, it'll start scanning for existing accounts on the blockchain, which means that if there is any account made on a wallet with the same recovery phrase and optionally a passphrase if you're using one, then it'll find it here and it'll show you all the assets on that account. If there's not, then you'll basically be able to create a new one, and that's pretty fine. You can just create a new one as well, but in my case I believe that it should show me that there is an account, although I'm pretty sure that I already have it added in the app, so I'll just make extra sure. Yeah, I have it here. But as you noticed, there was a new account. It was under new account, and it said so I could just create a new one. I could give it a name by sliding it to the left, to the right, and then renaming it, and then I could add it. And if there was an existing one, it would be listed below a text that says existing accounts. And yeah, once it's added here, now you can make transfers. For example, receiving. And this is what the video is about. So let's click on receive. Now select Solana and select on which account you want to receive. I want to receive on this account. Now you can verify your address to make really sure that on both devices you have the exact same address. I'm gonna verify it to make extra sure. I'm gonna go to the right. You'll need to confirm that there is the same address on both devices. I'm gonna confirm it. And now I'm gonna copy the address, but you can also give the QR code to a person that's gonna send you money. But as I said, I'm copying the address because I'm gonna transfer it from my own Coinbase account. So I'm gonna go to Coinbase. Now here, if I want to transfer money onto the device, I just need to go to transfer, send crypto. I'm gonna allow paste because it'll paste automatically, but in Coinbase you can click on this square button and it'll scan a QR code as well. Let's click on that, select the account. Now I'm gonna transfer Solana, and let's transfer, like, what's the minimum? Okay, I need to switch to Solana first. I think that's the minimum. and let's click on preview. Now I will select self-custody wallet. This is like some EU's transfer of funds regulation. I don't really like get that really, but yeah, I'm sending it to myself, so I'll just fill it with my own information. Then let's send it now. Now you can see that it's sent. So I'm gonna click on done, and it should show up in your balance on the Ledger Live app. Of course, in a moment, because it's not instant, but in a moment I'll see that my account has a bit more than 12 cents. Yes, it has 26 now, and that's basically it. There also will be a video on sending, but it's also quite intuitive, so I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.